So yes, artificial intelligence has come through to Adobe InDesign. It started in Adobe InDesign CC 2024 and is now obviously carried through to Adobe InDesign CC 2025. This new AI tool will convert text into appropriate images that you can use in your document. I can click on an image and it's now going to bring up this dialog box. Text to image. I'm going to click on there. Describe the image that you want to generate. I'm going to type in seafood platter. This is the new AI that we're seeing in Adobe InDesign. And I click on generate. It's now going online and it is going to show me 3 variations that I can use to replace this picture. It will also honor the rounded corners. I can click on this option and click on that option. I can choose whichever option I would like to use. And I could generate again should I want to. But I think that's given me a really nice image using artificial intelligence or AI.